know it's been a long weekend. We're live, you guys. Hey. So, Facebook is doing all of its magic. I love it. I'm here for it. How was your Thanksgiving? Can we talk about that for a second? Pop me a little comment below. Tell me what you guys did for the big holiday. Christmas is definitely officially on the way, right? Or whatever holiday you celebrate. You guys, I'm so excited. Let me fix this camera angle a little bit. I'm so excited. It's my like ultimate favorite time of year. All of the holiday things are happening at the office. How cute is this wreath my mama made for me? Right here, so cute. And then we have our, I don't know if you can see it, our travel tree. Those are all like ornaments from places we've traveled and all of the good things. And we have a lot to talk about today. So first of all, welcome. Today's just a total fun session to check in with you guys, let you know about some things that are going on and some contest updates that you don't want to miss. First of all, I want to congratulate Joe St. Pierre, who won the iPad in November. So Joe, congratulations. That's sent off. He should actually be getting that today. So that's super exciting. We have some other contests going on. But before we get into the season of giving and all of the cool things that we're giving away, I want to remind you guys that if you have been under a rock and haven't heard about our Black Friday special that we have going on, if you have been thinking about getting into the travel industry and you're like, oh, is this the year I should do it? Or maybe you've been at home and you're like, I kind of like working from home and I love travel. I'd love to make this a career. You have to pick up our travel agency launch kit. This is normally a $2,000 kit. You can go to my website right now and that's how much you'll see that it is. If you have this secret discount code that we've been putting in this group, GOBBLE75, yes, you got that right, it was for Turkey Day, GOBBLE75, it will take 75% off the price. So you can get that kit for less than $4.99 right now. That is the lowest price we've ever offered it at. You know, this year with all of the craziness going on, we wanted to do our part to do something really special. So we brought the kit to you at that amazing value. And guys, it's about 32 days till wave season. It's everything that you need to launch your travel business in 30 days or less. So you could have your travel business launched before we get into busy season, which starts in January, and really set your year up for a ton of success. So I'll pop the link below after the video so you can have that. If you're on our email list, it's already in your email, and it's on other posts on the page. But I'll pop it below after we get done here so you guys have that link. So I want to talk about a few fun things. We already congratulated Joe on his iPad, but I wanted to show you guys some of the gifts that we're giving away for Season of Giving. So we have these cute ears. Are these not the cutest, right? So these are from me, but we have 3 other pairs of ears that we're giving away. So we have 3 different ones that are in, if you go follow me on Instagram at Wanderlust CEO, you can actually see all of the people that donated prizes, get their company information, and see the actual, I think we had 2 ears that, like, those are the ones. No, we had 1 pair of, okay, let me reverse. This pair of ears plus another one, it's those ears that you win. The other 2 companies giving away ears are giving you a credit so you can pick the ears off of their site, which I think is really cool. So 4 pairs of ears, and then we have, hello, an Apple Watch. Who needs an Apple Watch under their Christmas tree? So super excited. We're also donating this prize, and we have so many other fun ones. These are just like a few. You got to check out the Instagram feed. But we have this cute little Dooney and Burke. How cute is this for like your little travel supply of makeup that you take on the plane? And then Karen from Charming Voyages, I don't want to take it out of this nice bag, but it's a cute Coach bag, and it has like a sunset scene on it. How fun is that? And then we have all kinds of other stuff. We have masks from Lotus and Luna. This is mine. The one you get is actually in one like this. It's all mine. It hasn't been opened, so we have a couple of those to give away. Oh my gosh. Our friends at Banana Patch Studios in Kauai, come on. We have 2 of these cute coffee mugs and a Hawaiian tile that they sent our way to give away. And by the way, can I just say, this is like one of my favorite companies. You guys see me with their mugs all the time. They have gorgeous stuff. We have some Lauren Condren stuff, some petite planners, some Careers on Vacation masks. Oh, hang on. I have some more fun ones to share with you. Are you guys liking? Tell me in comments which ones you guys like best. Which one do you want to win? Tell me below. This is from our friends at Nuts Inc. They do a lot of like our polo shirts and things for us at the company. But how nice is this? It's really like, it's like Yeti quality. I love it. And then it has little Careers on Vacation on the back. They engraved that for us. So how great are these? I love this so much, especially for you adventure travelers out there. And then our friends, if you guys are not familiar with Up and Away Adventures, you guys, this is amazing. So this is a new kit. I'm actually not even sure what country this is, but they sent, it could be Spain, it could be Germany. I don't know, they have a few of them that are out there now, but they are donating a kit. And basically it's like a vacation in a box, but it can all be done at home. This is really cool. We have other videos on YouTube, but we're donating one of those as well. So super excited about that. And then also want to tell you about probably the biggest prize. You guys, I'm giving away a full retreat to our Gold Digger Jamaica retreat. I'm giving away a seat to the retreat. It includes the hotel stay, it includes the retreat, all the goodies that come with it, everything except the airfare, because of course we don't know where you're flying from. You do have to provide your own airline ticket, but that's a $5,000 retreat that you can just go to do all of your business building for the year. So that as well. And some other really cool things. Oh, we have the cute little Harry Potter set. I almost forgot. This is just like one of the cups. There's a whole set that comes with like chocolate frogs and a whole thing. We have literally so many things. It's like all over my office at this point. So many goodies, but check out Instagram because we took like nice photos of everything. This is just a few of the things we're giving away. We literally had a prize for every day in November. So the chances to win this stuff, you guys, is so, it's good. It's really good. And I just want to thank all of our vendors that participated and all of our people that reached out when we, you know, called them and said, hey, can we have a donation? We're trying to do something to lift spirits in the travel industry and do some fun stuff. And they said, absolutely, Cyndi, and we'll send you something. We just started getting stuff in the mail and it's kind of escalated. We also have like luggage tags. 99 Design is giving away a $500 credit. So if you need to redo your logo or get some design work done, that's a great one to win. Made Pro donated a $100 cleaning certificate. So if you need your house clean for the holidays, just such great prizes, guys. So we're really, really excited about all the stuff that we're giving away. So to win that, you can go to wanderlessceo.com/Santa? Yes, /Santa, and then you can register to win. You only have to register one time, and then you'll be registered for every single prize that we're giving away. So guys, we're super excited about that, and I'm just having so much fun this holiday season. I think it's been a crazy year, like especially in our industry. We're not the only industry, of course, that was impacted by 2020. I do feel like there's so much optimism in our future with the vaccines coming out now and like things happening. I feel like we have a couple more months of like, you know, keeping things steady, and then things are just going to explode. But I want to remind everyone, like, business is not shut down. Our agency is booking actively. We have clients on vacation right now. We have all the things happening. So we should all be very encouraged moving into 2021. It's going to be a great year, and it's time to just kind of reset. I want to encourage all of you to, you know, just spend some time with your family this holiday season. I think, you know, this year has really been a big year of reflection for so many of us, and think about and get clear, like, what do you want from life? You know, what things do you know, just, I don't want to get like too crazy here, but I'll do those mindset talks, as you guys know. But the thing about it is it's been a year of reflection. So I want to just encourage you to like enjoy this holiday time. Very rarely do we get a lull in this industry, and so it is a time where we can kind of come together and regroup, and I hope the Season of Giving contest brings you some joy. We're also going to be sharing some unique new content, like what to buy your travel agent or traveler for the holidays over on TikTok. Did you guys know we're on TikTok? Go to @WanderlessCEO and you can follow me on TikTok. We have some ridiculous content coming out over over there. That's just been like a whole fun world. So as you guys know, we're always on top of trends and testing and making sure we know what's working for your travel businesses. So again, last call on travel agency launch kit. That code is going to expire tonight at midnight, and we will never offer the kit this year again at that price. So $4.99, 75% off. I literally saved more in my travel agent discount on the last vacation that I took. So if you're thinking about getting into the industry, that is a great rate. You don't want to miss that one for sure. So drop me a little comment, guys. I'll go back and drop these links in for you later. Tell me how you're enjoying the holiday season, or if you have any questions about the Season of Giving contest, or if you have any questions about the travel agency launch kit, we're totally happy to answer those for you before it expires. Of course, if you're watching this video tomorrow, I'm sorry, you'll have to go to the website and it's a little more. So, but we emailed you guys like 10 times, you know we did, to make sure that you didn't miss all of the announcements. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're enjoying the holiday season, and I'll look for you over on your registrations for Season of Giving. Keep watching us over on Instagram to see all of the prizes at Wanderlust CEO. And if you really want to have some fun, join me over on TikTok and we'll engage over there. So I love you guys. Have a great week. We'll talk soon. Bye, guys.